Sorry for the wait, y'all. I had a very busy semester, but it was very productive. I come back to a video for support and resistance. 2 3-minute videos, this break, just to kind of help everybody out. So right now, we're going to talk about support and resistance, and that's a technical analysis, a good way to see where is action going to happen. Is there going to be bounces? Are there going to be either in the positive way or the down way? And we're going to profit off of both those ways. So I'm going to just talk about support real quick. And as a buyer, you want to buy at support. And as a shorter, you want to short resistance. So we're going to show support real quick. What happened? Support. We gonna buy them support levels. Each time we test, we finna buy up and profit off that bounce. Now, shoot, let's switch sides. Let's hit that resistance. If we see resistance level, we see them wicks, we see them rejections, we get happy, we put on our bear suit. We finna short, okay? We finna profit off the downfall too, okay? So we got your support and resistance, and we're gonna go outside to show you what happens when you don't have any more support and don't have any more resistance. All right, y'all, I'm out on the patio, and I'm showing you what happens when you don't have any more support. We on the last leg of support. We bouncing. Support breaks. You done. We shorting. We profiting off that downfall. All right, y'all, and then this is it. Whenever you see that break of resistance, a bullish power move, break straight through resistance. The sky's the limit for them profits. See there? That's how it is, guys. Just wanted to show y'all support and resistance. You want to buy those bounces and you want to short those rejections. Hope y'all happy trading and make those profits, y'all. Be easy.